just goes forward. For this I have to disassemble my Camaro. This is my prey. I removed its chassis. I also removed its antenna wire. Now the body is completely separate. I will use the body in another video in the future. Disconnect all the 4 wires that run the motors. Now I will cut the red and black power wire. Also unscrew the PCB. The car moves when I unscrew it. Remove the bottle cap. Just making a simple button circuit with the forward or backward motor. Screwing the BMW body.